What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be part 2 of Project Cheap Fox. Cheap Fox. So what I've done here, if you watched the last video, if you haven't, what's wrong with you, man? Go back, watch the last video. Anyway, this was a 5-lug car, and that was obligated to someone else. So I've managed to pull all that stuff off of there and go ahead and put the 4-lug V8 stuff back under it. Nice set of ponies. Got that done. Changed out the cowl panel cover and the windshield trims back to black, like it should be. Painted the inside underneath here black, so it stands out a little bit better. Also, there was a gaping hole in the front bumper thanks to a friend of mine. Bought a Cobra grill insert, 93 model. It already had the hole, so put that in there. I'm undecided on whether or not I'm going to paint it. What I know I am going to paint is going to be this crap. So all of this will be painted hopefully today. I've got the quarter glass. I'm going to actually replace it. I'm not going to try to paint this crap. I'm going to replace these. I'm going to replace these. I've got these in black. So that's going to be the start. I might even go as far as to replace these and clean these locks up a little bit better to get those back in black. That's definitely mandatory situation. So let's see what else. Man, that might be it for now. That's going to wrap up the exterior once I knock that out. So total investment, you guys keeping track? I've got, let's see, I paid 60 bucks for this brand new Cobra grill insert delivered to my door. That's always convenient. So 60 bucks for that, 100 bucks for the ponies. These pieces I had, so $0 free. And I have all of those pieces, so $0 free. I'm going to put this missing trim piece back on here. And that's going to be it, I think, for the exterior. Oh, also, for a couple of bucks, I painted the fender wells all the way around the car because it had so much red overspray. So got rid of all that nastiness. Now it's back to black, which it should be. Once I show some black on this red, it should have some nice, should have a good looking car when I'm done with it. So that's what I'm hoping for at least. Cross your fingers, keep me posted. What do you think? Is this a car you would have messed with? Once I'm done with the outside, I'm going to do put a dash in it and put the harnesses in it for the computer and the dashboard itself. And then I'm going to sell this car. So if you're interested, don't be one of those internet guys. How much? And no, you're too far and that's too much. Oh, I got nothing but excuses of why you ain't building cars. Here's a really simple, it's a lazy man build. If you can't do this, forget it. Go get you a 2019 something. Maybe Hyundai. Kia makes some nice cars for cheap. Otherwise, for those guys who are capable of spinning a wrench and not afraid to do a little effort to make a car super nice for super cheap, this is your guy. So send me a message, all right? I'll give you an idea of kind of what I'm expecting for pricing on the car. Like I said, it's going to be sold as a roller, but it's going to be turnkey roller. So all you're going to have to do is just drop drivetrain in. I don't think those two terms go together, turnkey roller, but they do today. So there we go. Lots of red. Who loves red? Everybody loves red. Guys, the next stage should be part 3 on this, which will happen today or tomorrow, is going to be blacking out all of that. So that'll be part 3. This is part 2. And then the part 4 will be the finishing of the interior with the dash and the wiring. And then I'm done. It's a wrap. I'm going to kick it back out to the field of dreams over there and let her occupy some ground space until someone falls in love with it. And then it can go down the road. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for keeping up. You ain't got to be rich to play this game. Hell, I do it with junkyard parts, but nice junkyard parts. Don't believe the hype. Don't pay shop rates. Don't take your car somewhere else. Do your own work. It's worth it, man. Look at this. In the end, you could turn out some decent looking rides. I mean, yeah, I got some turds. I like turds. Turds make good parts cars. But then there's some pretty cool cars floating around too. And some really nice cars that rarely see the light of day. But those are expensive. This one's not. This is going to be super cheap tax money special right here for all you tax ballers, or you guys with the rusted out turds, or a wrecked car that you got a motor trans and you want a quick driver. So anyway, that's what that's going to be. Old red. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep up with us at Fox Body Rehab Life. We out.